Hello, I'm Jeffrey Ewald, Vice President of Training and Manpower Development for AmeriSys. Thank you for taking a few minutes to learn more about a career opportunity in sales management with AmeriSys. AmeriSys is a national financial services company providing cash flow management solutions to thousands of businesses and medical professionals for the collection of their delinquent accounts. Now let me put your mind at ease. We aren't looking for collectors. We are seeking individuals with management and sales backgrounds who, after completing our thorough training, will have the ability to take sales agents out in the field and show them how to advise business owners and senior level executives about the services to improve the nearest and dearest thing to their heart, their cash flow and profit dollars. Our region managers build their territory with a combination of personal sales, recruiting, and training. The senior management team at AmeriSys have been leaders in the credit and collection industry for over 30 years. Our clients range from Fortune 500 companies down to the corner florist. So as you can see, we have something for just about everybody in business. AmeriSys is a member of the American Collectors Association, and local, state, and national trade and professional associations throughout the U.S. endorse our services for their members. This is a recession and depression-proof industry, and to meet the demand for the services in our fastest growing division, we are now filling general agent sales positions in your area and have an opening for a regional sales manager who has a proven track record of accomplishments in recruiting interviews, training, and development of a direct sales team in either tangible or intangible sales. These are straight commission positions with premium commissions, recruiting bonuses, and lucrative management overrides with no ceiling on your earnings. You will only work 9 to 5 Monday through Friday. Your weekends are your own. Sales and leadership talents and aspirations for a high dollar income is all you need to excel in this position. Earnings are typically from $200,000 to $250,000, and several managers have exceeded this in their first year. After thoroughly reviewing the detailed letter received with this email and visiting our company website, you will have the required facts about our business and industry necessary to make an informed decision. This position is not comparable to a franchise. As an example, you have no boundaries limiting where you can sell our services. If you get a referral or have a client with a headquarters outside of your territory, you still have the opportunity to sell them. Even if the prospect is across the country, you will have the ability to close a sale with an online presentation. However, your region manager agreement will provide you with the exclusive right to recruit and manage a sales force within your regional territory. Here's how you'll get started. First, we will schedule a conference call for a personal interview to learn more about your qualifications. If we mutually agree that we have a match, you will be considered as a top candidate for a regional manager with an exclusive territory of approximately 4 million in population. Each candidate selected has to be bondable, and the bonding enrollment and training fee is $7,500, which also includes your sales briefcase and materials, your manager briefcase and materials, and your required computer and projector, installed with the necessary software for running recruiting sessions and training schools and giving online sales presentations. It also covers your round-trip flight to our headquarters in Columbus, Ohio, and your lodging during their 4-day training school. Furthermore, this $7,500 fee is 100% fully reimbursable through personal sales, fast start bonuses, and recruiting bonuses that are paid to you during the first 6 to 12 months. I need to express to you that having the required fee will not guarantee you the management position in itself, as there is a final interview with a corporate vice president and myself as a final step in the selection process. If selected, your bonding enrollment and training fee isn't paid until all steps have been completed. The company pays 100% of all advertising costs, and we provide you with an office identity package and access to professional office space for hiring, training, and sales meetings at no cost to you. In addition, after 90 days, you will become eligible for enrollment in our group health insurance plan for you and your family, and the company will participate by paying 50% of all premiums. To ensure your success, your training will include detailed instruction with manuals and AV support on how to successfully run recruiting sessions, fast-track training schools, and sales meetings using planned meeting modules. Additionally, a member of our training department will be available to co-host and participate in your larger events. You will also learn how to obtain trade association endorsements and to exhibit at trade shows by hosting one of our corporate booths. The leads generated from these endorsements and trade shows will supplement the phone prospecting, cold calling, referral gathering, direct mail campaigns, and corporate internet sourcing programs that are vital to your territory's development and field force productivity. You will learn advanced skill sets that will allow you to lead by example as a master prospector. And it doesn't stop there. You'll be trained on how to develop key and volume accounts with large businesses and medical groups where your efforts are rewarded with a consistent stream of repeat business. Credit has fueled the growth engine of America's economy. The Wall Street Journal recently projected that the accounts receivable management and collection industry will remain one of the top 10 fastest growing business sectors during the next 10 years. If you want to learn more about the opportunity you'll be offering new agents in your territory, click the brochure link on my email to you. This e-brochure provides answers to the most frequently asked questions I receive about a career with AmeriSys from new salespeople like those you will be recruiting for your region. The next step is up to you. Contact me, Jeffrey Ewald, Vice President of Manpower Development, by simply clicking the Contact Request link in my email and provide me with your selected times for me to call you for your personal interview. Thanks for your time today. I hope to meet with you personally at an upcoming training school in the near future to congratulate you on your region management appointment with AmeriSys.